know about how to sign up the student login in the Canvas LMS system. Here we're having the different types of logins and sign up options. So first, how to sign up, okay, and then how to log in the student token. I will go to see in the both mobile apps as well as in the web version. Okay, so it will available on the mobile version as well as web version also there. So first I will show the in the web version. Now you can see here, first to create the ID. Okay, so first you have to sign up. So for that one, Canvas student sign up. Okay, click on the Canvas student sign up. Okay, in the Google search as a Canvas student sign up. Click the first link. Okay, so I have clicked the link, so it will goes to the this page. So here select as a am student. Okay, if you are signing up the as a student, okay, click the student. So here it will ask the joining code. So if you're having the joining code, please click on that link. So joining code, so that will be given by the instructor. Okay, so click the enter your joining code and give your full name, username, password, confirm password and email. Okay, it will be one process for sign up process. Okay, so here, so you can give your joining code, full name, username, password, confirm password, email. So joining code is sent by the instructor. Okay, enter your joining code, give your full name, username, password, confirm password and email. Okay, from that one you can click that link and the information it goes to the, you can go to join in the course. Okay, that is the one process. Or else, so if instructor will give the link, okay, so enroll link. Okay, if the instructor give the enrollment link, so the this is a one other method for enrolling method. So if you are a new user, okay, so if you are new user, you can log in like this. Okay, so if you are already account, so you can give your email ID and test one. Okay, if you are a new user, you can enter am as a new user. Okay, enter your name. So here I'm just entering the, okay, just I'm entering the or enroll username for demo purpose. So it will ask the email ID. Okay, first you need to enter your email ID. Okay, as well as you have to agree. So you have to must check it. So you have to click the both links. So here I am. So you have to give one and you have to enroll the courses. So here I am already have a account. Okay, so if you new teacher, so it will be there. So if already, if you click the link, okay, if you already, so you can enroll from the like this. So I am now showing the enrollment for my account. Okay, I am new user, student, full name. Okay, so I have entered my name, okay, then enroll. Enter your mail ID and your name and you can enroll. So now after entering, so it will leads to the this link. Okay, that will goes to the your classroom, so that you can successfully log. So it will show. So here you can see the your tour. So how it is placed, students tour, you can. So I am skipping the student tour. So you can give the your account. So what are the your name, okay, profile details, photo, that will be you can. So if you are having the QR code, okay, so from the QR code also you can log in the mobile app. So click that QR link. You can first, for that one you need to, so to view this page you need to verify. So email link will be verified, link will be sent to your mail ID. From that one you can verify your link and you can log in with the your mobile, okay, from the QR code. Or else you can another method is also there, you can, I will show in that later. Here it shows the click on the dashboard. So whatever the courses you are registered, that will be, you can see here. So here only I have selected the one course, so I am checking the course details. So here from the dash home courses, click on the courses, it will be they're having the tabs. Okay, so you can see the whatever the modules are there, you can see. So whatever the modules links, so score syllabus, is any assignments, quiz, okay, you can see here. So here I will show the assignments. Okay, there is a tabs assignments, okay, discussion. So any discussion with the instructor, you can do the discussion. Any threads, you can put your threads, and whatever the grades there you can see. So I will show the one by one. So in the announcement, okay, whatever the announcements from the instructor, that will be shown here, okay, from the announcement. Okay, in this page you have the assignment. Okay, is there any assignments in there, is then due date, that will be shown it. So here assignment 1, you have to click this link. Okay, here assignment question. So whatever the assignment is there, so type, so due date, okay, number of point, submitting. Okay, so what are the type? So here is question is that please submit the HV syllabus picture. So you can send the type of, so file submit. Okay, if you want to submit, click on the submit assignment. So it will show the file upload method. You can select your file and you can submit, or you can use the Google Docs if it is there. Okay, from that also you can, if you have the file with the Google Doc, you can do that. Okay, so is there any discussion is the, done by the instructor? Okay, that will be shown in the discussion tab. Now coming to the grade. So in the grade tab, so how much grades your uh, so whatever the grades that will be shown here. So for assignments 1, roll call attendance, okay, that will also due date, status, score, okay, for how, for the maximum value, okay, that will be shown here. Okay, is there any assignments or score, okay, that will also displayed by the, so if it is assignment, if you submit the assignment, okay, is there any if you submitted and instructor give them allotted marks, then you can see your marks here. So if you want to print your grades, you can print here also. So in the people tab, so who are the students, classmates are there, so you can see. So whatever the role is there, you can see. Okay, so is there any groups are there, you can also see the whatever the groups are there in a class. If the groups will be provided for the some assignments, so you can, from that one also you can see the your group. Okay, so here, okay, in the pages, so in the pages tab, so you can see the whatever the page material, okay, material shared by the instructor, you can see. So here is the page title, video links. So in the pages, is there any pages or information that you can, so full information you can see in the page tab, that is the whatever the material shared by the instructor, that you can see here. So in the files, so instructor whatever the files you shared with you, okay, that will for information, okay, course files you can see here in the files tab. Okay, in the syllabus, so whatever the syllabus link is there, okay, syllabus provided by the instructor, that you can see either in PDF format, link format, video format, okay, that will be shown in here. For the quizzes, you can see his quiz tab, you can select the whatever the quizzes are there, whatever the questions is there, you can see. So here number of questions, number of points, time limit, that is also provided by the instructor. If the time limit provide, in the time limits only you can do. Okay, is there any due date? Due date also provided by the instructor. So take the quiz, click on the text the quiz. So here quiz questions will be there, you can give your answers. Okay, number of attempts, okay, here time also, so 1 minute 14 seconds, okay, that will be time allowed by the instructor. Okay, you can give your time. Okay, in the module 1, so in the modules, number of modules, okay, so that will be shown in the here. So whatever the material, whatever discussion, okay, that will be shown in the module sections. Okay, Canvas provide the conferences, okay, by using the blue button. So here you can do the conference with the along with the your students. Okay, so instruction, okay, instructor give the conferences link. So here if any conference is there based on the subject discussion, video classes, online classes, okay, so that will be, you can see in the new conference or concluded conference there in there, you can see in this link. So in the collaboration, so that will be used for the while working with the participants. So the instructor give the any assignment, okay, by the group, okay, so for your group, so from that and whatever the collaborations if you having the attempt your question, okay, for your turn you have to attend that answer, okay, from that you can link that will be given to you, okay, from that one you can give your collaboration to the assignments whatever the work is there, okay, from that one you can do the so here by using the that is Google Documents, so from the Google document you can do your collaboration work in this collaboration tab. So but you need to access whatever the you are using, okay, that mail ID should having the Google Doc authorization will be there from the Google account. So in the calendar tab, any agenda, okay, any uh, instructor provide the any material, okay, so any classes, any new conference there, okay, that will be calendar field sent by the your faculty, or you can add your calendar feed, okay, you can create your event for that one, okay, and that will be provided by the in this canvas. And inbox, whatever the inbox materials there, that will also provide in the inbox. So in the inbox, so any conversation banned by the courses, okay, so for courses, okay, that will be sent it to you. So messages there, that will be, you can see here. So students, 1 minute I will show the how to log in with the, okay, here you can go to the tab, okay, in the for mobile, how to for mobile login, how to log in with the Canvas log, okay, app. So here you are having the app, that is Canvas student login. So here Canvas, so search as a Canvas student, so it will goes to the, you can open your Play Store, click search as a Canvas student, from that one you can install your app. Then after installation it will be like this. So here you can see the Canvas, so any enrollment is there, you can see. So here first we have to do, so open your app, okay, app will be open like this. So what you have to do, so click here that, so find my school, okay, click on the find my school, so it will goes to the link like this. So search as a free, so search as a free account, so you have to search as a free account. From that one it will goes to the, so it will leads to the freeinstructor.com. So from that one you have to log in with your credential. So if you did not sign up, okay, from that one also you can sign up with your account. So for how to sign up with one, okay, that will shown here. So here instructed provide the link, enrollment link, okay, from that enrollment, so click on the enrollment link. So here open, or you can use your invitation link from the mail ID, okay, if that provided, okay, you can provide. So click on the Canvas student, so it will goes to the instructor, okay, canvas.infrastructure. From that one also you can provide your details. So here that will goes to the, okay, so here I have to click that link. So for whenever you receive the invitation link, so click on that, so you'll get the accepted, so give your details from that one, okay, this is another method. So while in the mobile app, so you have to search as a, so find my school, so in that find my school select as a free, okay, search as a free, so that will to the this page. So in this page you have to click the, So in this page you have to click the, so whatever the link is provided, so free, select on that. So go to, it will leads to the canvasinstructor.com, and from that link you have to sign up. So here it will be shows the, whenever you click on the free, okay, so that will list to the your canvasinstructor.com. okay, from that one you have to go with the instructor, so that will list to the like. So in here enter your mail id and password. So enter your mail id and password, and that will list to the your instructor. Okay, you can see here login. So either course is there, okay, the same instructions will be from the, okay, while if we similarly like this, okay, from the mobile app also you can see the your course to do, okay, whatever the instructions there, modules you can see. So similar, so in the mobile app you can see the dashboard, account, courses, calendar, inbox. So it will be shown in the, for if you have multiple accounts it will shows in the in this one, okay. So here I will show the, so whenever you log in with this one, okay, so login account, so if you log in, so that will be app is showing in this way. So it is having the, so in the app you will see the grades, assignments, okay, whatever the things there, that will be can you can see. So here you can see, so here you can see the announcement, assignment, discussion, grades, okay, people, so pay, files, okay, whatever the menus there, that will we can see. Here the home tab also you can see, okay, you can see the modules of the course, and you can see the assignments, okay, how much marks is there, okay, what your roll call attendance, that will also you can see. And the assignment details also you can see here by clicking that link. So number of points for roll call attendance you can see in the mobile app. The grades also you can see, number people also you can see. Okay, similarly whatever the web versions are there, okay, same web version, all modules you can see, okay. So tabs, all tabs you can see in the mobile apps also, okay. So I hope you find the good solution for the your LMS system for the Canvas login. So thank you, this is Mandram Krishna signing off. Have a good day, happy learning. Thank you.